I am absolutely obsessed with hand sanitizer, and I love when they have really great smells. And I was sent these for my review, and I'm gonna try them for the very first time. So as you can see, I have 6 different scents here, which is really awesome. I love the size of these. They look like a kind of thicker little credit card here. This is really easy to pop into any purse, into any bag. You can honestly even just put this in your pocket. So we've got berry, we've got mint, mandarin, watermelon, peach, and gardenia. So I'm going to go ahead. Super simple to use. Obviously, this is already filled liquid, and you just got this little spray right here, and we spray that. Some berry. Definitely got kind of like, that alcohol smell, which is something you'd want. Most important for me with hand sanitizers, we don't want them to be sticky after, and these are not. My hands are completely dry. I sprayed, 2, 3 sprays? A lot of times some of these hand sanitizers make you all goopy. I hate that. So it smells, kind of gives you, I'll be honest, I don't smell a lot of berry, but I definitely smell like a nice clean flavor. So I'm just going to go ahead so I can smell them. So this is the mint. Definitely getting that mint. That's nice. We've got our mandarin. Oh, I don't know what mandarin. I haven't smelled mandarin in a long time. That might be the best thing I have ever smelled. Watermelon. Nice and fruity watermelon. Peach. Okay, peach, mandarin, I don't know. One of these is winning right now. And let's go ahead with the gardenia. Also good. Honestly, you definitely cannot go wrong with any of these. I love that they're all a different color. I think this is really fun. And the best part is this is a pack of 24. So this is really great for like party favors, or honestly, just so that you never run out.